Hey guys, today I'm going to do a glamorous makeup look. Haven't done one in a while. Nothing too full on. This is like a Chloe glam. Anyway, before I get started, the notification squad giveaway is this pack from Marc Beauty. It's the Snake Charmer kit consisting of 5 lip products. So all you've got to do is leave a comment within the first 12 hours of this video going live, and that's why you have to be part of my notification squads. So make sure you're subscribed, have that notification bell on, and please also like. So yeah, good luck. Okay, let's just get started. I'm going to start out by priming. This is the Flawless and Poreless Primer from Pixi by Petra. Just on my forehead, nose, cheeks, and chin. Gonna take my Estee Lauder foundation, Double Wear. I don't know what color. This is Shell Beige. That's what I normally go for. Looks about right when it's on my hand. And as y'all know, I like to match it to my body, despite my face being pale. I'm gonna move straight into eyes, and I'm gonna take the Marc Jacobs Coconut Primer. And then, of course, I'm going to take the Volume 2 palette from the beauty haul that I came out with recently with Ciate. So this one has 20 amazing colors, a much different array of shades. This one's got some pinks and greens, as well as a lot of nice metallics and a couple of neutrals. So let's do a makeup look with these. Okay, so I'll take Pony, which is a cool toned color named after Genuine's Pony song, which really shaped my life, especially when it was on the soundtrack for Magic Mike. And I'm just gonna circle that at the outer V of my eye. How appropriate. My V, Pony, Magic Mike. Then I'm gonna take the color Mecha, which is named after my husband. And I'm gonna start it at the outer part of my eye and start to like bring it into the V again. And then the black Cold Beauty goes here. And drive it up into the crease, but maybe don't blend it into the crease just yet. Okay, now I'm gonna take a cream eyeshadow. This is the 5-in-1 from Bare Minerals. I'm gonna put some on the back of my hand. And then with a concealer brush and precision that I probably don't have, we'll wait and see. So I'm just carving out my crease a little bit here. Okay, and then Pixi by Petra has got Liquid Fairy Lights. I think these are kind of new. They're a really pretty like eyeshadow topper. And this one's called Sunray. Just make sure everything's all blended if you have to. Now the next step is risky business. I'm almost definitely going to regret this because I'm really shaky today. I'm going to line my eyes, and I'm going to use the Fierce Flicks eyeliner that comes in the haul with Ciate London and and it's a really nice felt tip one, so it's good for beginners. And I'm just going to do, let's start with a small flick and see what we end up with. Okay. Oh my god. If I stop now, I won't have ruined anything. Stop now, stop now. Stop. Stop. Stop, revive, survive. So we've got a wing. We have a wing. Let's try to make 2 wings on the side. I cannot tell you how dry my hands are right now. I'm just putting my Lano on. I feel like I'm putting this on constantly because I keep going to wash my hands. I have a problem with washing my hands. Okay, other side. Oh no, I can't open it. Other side. Easy. 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 Okay, I've already just resting my elbow on the table. You might have it, you guys. Oh, buddy. Oh my god, I think we've got it. Oh my god, I think we've got it. I think we've got it. Oh my god, thank you. Somebody out there is watching over me. That is quite honestly a miracle what just happened. We made it through. We've got a wing that is remotely even, so my work here is done. Not quite, I have to continue. I'm going to put some color under my eye. With a palette like this, be rude not to, I'm gonna put Sol and Chartreuse under my eye. So Chartreuse is under here. And then I'll take Sol. Okay, to top off the look right here, it's a really nice pale gold with a lot of metallic shimmer in it. And I'm just gonna pop it here. Right here. For mascara on my lower lashes, because obviously I have lash extensions. I was not naturally born with these lashes. They were applied. Shout out to Amy Jean Eye Couture. I'm just gonna put Lancome Grandiose at the bottom. Okay, now I'm gonna put this Tom Ford Light Medium Concealing Pen. It's a little bit like the Maybelline one where it has a little cushion applicator, which is, to be honest, a little bit rank, but when it's only going on my face, I don't particularly care. Obviously, like, the elephant in the room is that my eyebrows aren't on. It's okay, guys, we can address it now. I'm gonna fill them in with my favorite eyebrow pencil, Benefit Precisely My Brow. I use number 4. Then I've got the Miriam Maquillage and Pixi Strobe and Sculpt Highlight Contour Kit. When I first saw this, I thought for sure this would be too dark for me, but I actually find this color is extremely buildable. So I'm gonna take this one. And I'll take this one, put it up here. Then I've just got a very small amount on an eyeshadow brush, and then I'm just gonna sculpt out my nose. Dusting it off on the back of my hand first. Then she's got this yellow powder, or banana powder. And she does have highlighters in that kit, but I've been dying to try these. So they sent me 2. This is the Subtle Sunrise, so this one has more of a warmth to it, and this is the more neutral one, I would say. It's got this really nice champagne shade and then this silvery pink one. They are just so high voltage. Yeah, I'm into it. I'm gonna take the more champagne one. Wow. So I just received the Jouer blush duos as well, and they're getting a lot of hype online. they're absolutely beautiful, like packaging. And yeah, they're blush duos. So I think I'm gonna take this one, Kiss Me. Ooh, nice. Really pretty. And I'm gonna take this nice pink. Ooh, nice color. That's pretty. It just ties it all together because it's looking pretty bright under there, isn't it? And then to top off the whole look, I'm going to put a lipstick on. This is the liquid lipstick from the Chloe and Ciate haul. Feels weird like referring to myself in third person, but that's what it's called. In the haul you get this lipstick. It's called Sydney. It's an exclusive color I came up with, and it's just such a nice nude. As you can see, I just kind of modeled it off my own lip color. Probably need to lock my eyebrow hairs in place, otherwise they will be flapping in the wind. This is the brow gel. It's really old. It's kind of got brown bits in it because I've used it a lot. But it's from the Aspen Ovard little set that you can get. It's a really good clear brow gel. There you go. Brow set in place. Pair the look with some nice jewelry. I've got these gold ones and my rings, and I hope you guys enjoy this look. Okay guys, don't forget you can check out my beauty haul with Ciate. It's in Sephora in the United States and Canada, and then here in Australia you can get it in Mecca. We also have a number of stockists all around the world, and some of them ship internationally like Cloud9 and I believe ASOS. But I will link them all below so that you can find them, and I hope you guys have been enjoying my product. If you've tried it, heaps more to come. I'll see you guys soon. Now don't forget to enter the contest to win this Marc Jacobs lip set. Simply leave a comment within the first 12 hours, so make sure you're subscribed and have the notifications on. Alright guys, I'll see you very soon. Have a great day. Bye.